With Supersport Let's Play launching a new partnership with the South African Hockey Association, greatness can be achieved at a flick of a wrist. This phenomenal sport will now be accessible to communities that previously had little to no exposure with the sport, enriching lives while creating a thriving culture in school sports.
We are extremely excited to be in partnership with Let's Play, a phenomenal concept. We're following on the back of other initiatives that they've launched, and we are really, really pleased to be in this space. How modified hockey works is very simple. We've particularly taken time out to align it to the school's curriculum. It is played across the country. Modified has got a specially designed stick which facilitates the playing of it on different surfaces. Even the ball is a different size to make sure that the younger kids can properly navigate the surface with that particular stick. At the school's level, we even go as far as educating teachers. So it's a program where we equip teachers to be self-sustainable within their own schools.
We've got 6 schools around Tembisa, whereby we send our coaches to go and help them. We've got a club in Tembisa called Tembisa Hockey Club. Those guys are going out to those schools to help in terms of training and stuff. What do we do? I've got like 6 coaches around. They go to each school. Our practices are on Monday and Wednesday. Then Friday we play our mini league, which means like we're trying to move hockey forward by playing those leagues. It's not a competitive league, but we're trying to get everyone involved there.
As Let's Play, we have realized that sport not only makes their children to be healthy, but it brings good benefits for them, like social and psychosocial benefits. It teaches them values such as fairness, discipline, perseverance, inclusion, and respect. Therefore, as MultiChoice, this is the thing that makes us invest in these children, because we realize that it changes those social ills that the youth find themselves in, and also for us to continue to invest in these communities because we see the benefits of what these initiatives does to the youth.
A partnership long in the making comes on the back of over 8 multi-purpose sports fields that have been constructed by the Let's Play Playing Fields project across the country over the last 2 years. The hockey project will ensure that the new facilities are optimally utilized and also create a thriving sporting culture in the recipient communities. Recipient communities of the first rollout of the program include Bushbuck Ridge, Tembisa, and Kimberley. The school with the facility is the central hub, affectionately known as the Let's Play Centre of Excellence, COE. 5 surrounding schools within a 3-kilometre radius from the COE Excellence form a 6-school league and assign its own SA hockey coordinators stationed in the area to run the program, conduct teacher training and weekly group training, and run Saturday league matches.
The Supersport Let's Play program is very important in these communities to keep the kids off the streets, because what's interesting for me is, or to me, is that it's so simplified. You know, you come here and you think it's got to be this whole complicated, intense training and you need to have all of this knowledge and expertise, but it's really not. So the fact that it's so simple and that you can just basically, the learners don't even need to have all of this knowledge and skills before they come here. So what's interesting to me and what's actually great is that they can acquire these skills in such a simple way. So just the focus and the skill set, how determined they were to learn and to actually do it to the best of their abilities.
This is a beautiful structure and a foundation for our primary kids to see that a sport can guide you and direct you into becoming a man and a woman, not just in sport but in society. So the discipline that I saw the coach also teach here is basic coordinations with hand and stuff like that, and listening skills, kinetic skills, audibles, you know, all those things. Those are beautiful things that we haven't done it a lot in the class. We're just here to help the learner academically, but the sports side, this would be a tremendous beneficial to the learners.
Today, it's one of those days that as a province, we are really happy and excited that Supersport has come to the party, supporting the South African Hockey Association in terms of rolling out the program around involvement and development of the code. As you know that this part of the world used to be the home of non-racial sport, especially the development of hockey in the country. I see a bright future for our kids in the province, that they don't need to travel anymore out of the province to go and play hockey because there's new facilities. We've got a university now on the side that will offer that particular court. And I'm happy to see the turnout today in Kimberley.
Head, shoulders, hands, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, hands, knees and toes. Remember the nursery rhyme. Ready? Step up, next one, step up. Well done. Go. Well done. Tuck it in. Pass. Step up. Step up. There you go. Pass. Follow your pass that side. Round. Let's go. Follow your pass. Come on. Left leg forward. Quick feet, boys. Quick feet. Come on. Look at the lovely footwork, man. Well done. Look at the lovely footwork. Can you see now they're passing? There's a transfer of the body weight from the right foot to the left foot. We're going to push the ball. Can you see they're stepping forward? We're talking about, you can see exactly where is the defender, right? And where is his teammate in case of making a pass. So I'm giving feedback.
Let's Play partner Bestmed was also on hand to donate playing kit that the schools will at the end of the league program. These will be an interschools festival where the winners at the end of the day will walk away with the Bestmed Cup.
Here is hockey for the kids in rural and township areas. They can now dream of representing the country in Olympics in future years.
I have seen what this particular sporting could can do to a child, especially at school, because it also helps with the development of the child in terms of his academics. Overall, the support for hockey in the province, especially at school level, is phenomenal.
It lends itself to the kids feeling that they are special and that they can become the next South African player.
Our aim is to keep our youth off the streets through sports, reducing the impact of social issues such as teenage pregnancy, drugs and more. This demonstrates the dedication and efforts in unearthing talent, mentoring them into the next generation of stars.
Thank you to Super Sports and thank you to MultiChoice for coming here and for just reigniting the sports again.